On every corner, it seems, there's a spot of magic or a drop of magical fairy dust waiting for you and your children, your own little fairies, to come out and enjoy. We are playing up on that theme today with some darling ideas for your home-baked sweets and treats with cookie artist Georganne Bell, and it is great to have you. How beautiful is it out here?
This is so fun. It really is magical out here.
It is the perfect setting for the at-home kitchen ideas that you're sharing with us today. And the truth is, cookies have always had sprinkles. So what's changing for the at-home baker?
Well, there's a lot more options now for adding that little bit of fairy magic to all of your baked goods. Sprinkles are definitely still a great option.
Never going out of style.
Right, but we've got some others as well. So I've got 5 ideas for you to add that magic to your baked goods. The first one is sprinkles, because really you can't go wrong with sprinkles.
But these are not your mama's sprinkles. I mean, they have really evolved in terms of style and texture.
There's tons of different shapes. We talked a few months ago about making your own sprinkle mix with the jimmies and the pearls and the different things you can get at the craft store. This is just all stuff I got at a grocery store or at Michael's.
Which I think is an awesome point too, because up until I think recently you'd have to go to a fancy gourmet shop to pull off
or order them online.
Yeah, to pull off this kind of aesthetic style, but your grocery store can help you out.
Yes, yes. So sprinkles at the grocery store, just add them together. You can put them on top of.
I like that.
So fun, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Cakes, cupcakes. Also, you can add them to the cupcake batter so that you have like your own custom funfetti cakes.
Oh, I love that.
So fun, right?
Okay,
And then we also have standing sugar, which is again available at grocery stores in the baking aisle. Tons of different colors. It's basically just sugar, bigger sugar crystals, and they're colored.
Okay.
The key to using standing sugar is to add it when the icing is wet. So I'm just gonna put some frosting on here really quick.
So that it sticks and hangs on.
Yeah. So, and again, like really quick. You don't have to be like perfectionist about it at all, because you're just gonna cover it up. So then you sprinkle it over, dust it off, and there you have it.
That's a cookie I want to eat.
Already, right?
I really don't discriminate against many cookies, but that looks pretty happy and appetizing.
So fun.
Cute, cute.
So then the next step up after that are these glitter gels here.
Okay.
Or sparkle gels, but again, they are available in the grocery stores, in the baking aisle.
So how is this different than regular piped frosting in a bag?
Because it is sparkly. See, this is what I used on top of the cupcakes here. You can see how it's got the glitter in the gel.
Okay, that's...
Normally when you add like the sparkle to frosting, it kind of dulls it. But because it's piping gel, it makes it sparkly.
I have a feeling all of the fairies here at Garden Village want to be your best friend, because you are just singing their song. That is really cool. That's cool to look at.
So easy to use. You just cut the top off and put it on.
And again, grocery store buy.
Yes, yes. You can get different more color options in the cake decorating aisle of craft stores or Walmart, but in the baking aisle. It's amazing.
We're going to add that to our stash.
The next one, we have the shimmer gels, or the shimmer sprays. They come in like silver, gold. This one is a super fun one. It's just a cookie, no icing required.
Okay.
You're just gonna spray the gold on top of it.
And that's all you need?
Yeah, and then that's it. And it turns into, I'll show you, here's one that's already dry.
Obviously edible.
Yeah, like that. And then this is a fun idea that I have for my little fairies. They love magic wands. So I'm just gonna flip this cookie over here once it's sprayed. And then just a straw with some ribbon, pipe some icing on the back of it, and then put the straw in. And then when the icing is dry, you have these cute fairy wands.
Oh, look how sweet.
That are completely edible.
Suddenly we're fairies, and I feel good about it.
And you get a wand, and you get a...
I know, you just went Oprah on you. You stopped short of a cargo, and you get a wand. And you get a wand. Okay, that's really fun. That turns an everyday, ordinary play into kind of a magical, edible experience.
Fun. And the very last one, my absolute favorite, new on the market, it's called Jewel Dust.
Jewel Dust.
And it is edible, FDA approved glitter.
What?
Yes, it's amazing. Look at it.
Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous.
It is so
I don't know if the camera's even going to be able to pick up the detail on that sparkle.
So the same with the sanding sugar.
Yeah.
You want to add it wet. So I'm just going to pipe a little flour here.
That really, the sparkle, what are we going to call it? The sparkle quality is off the charts. That's something to make an Elsa queen proud.
And then you can just sparkle it.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
This is my favorite part. Can you see this?
It's flying in the air.
My kids love it.
Okay, that is really cool.
That. Edible, FDA approved, never before.
Love it. Where do we get our hands on that?
So you can ask Orson Gigi, they might start carrying it, or you can get it online. Flower Box Bakery sells it. I think you can get it on Amazon. It's called Jewel Dust.
Jewel Dust. You definitely want that for your at-home cupcake stash. We're looking at your cookies too. You've used that in some of these designs.
Yes, you can see butterfly, especially the flowers. Really, I just like to use it whenever I possibly can.
She's just throwing this around her kitchen with reckless abandon.
Who doesn't love a little magic?
Yeah, totally. Any tricks to pulling off these more intricate designs, like the butterfly, for example?
Yeah, so the key with these, if you're going to add, especially if you're going to add this sparkle dust to it, is that you want, it sticks to anything that's wet. So I only want it on the inside, so I do the bottom layer, make sure that's completely dry, and then I add another layer before I add the sparkle on. That way I just get it exactly where I want it. But if you want it everywhere, just go for everywhere.
And I'm just spotting the fairies themselves.
Do you see there's a little boy fairy too?
Like where? Oh my gosh.
See boys and girls.
Oh, look at this.
I do not discriminate.
Magic in all gender, shapes, and forms, and edible as we like it, the very best. That's the best kind of magic. Georganne, thank you. Where can we get more ideas from you?
You can find all of my tutorials online at www.lilaloa.com.
We will link you over from our website. Great ideas to bring, again, the word of the day, magic, to any upcoming party or event you might have planned. Thank you again, my friend.
Thank you.